Tired of watching amazing videos once and losing them forever? What if I told you there's a way to grab any video, from TikTok trends to Facebook laughs, Instagram reels, YouTube tutorials, and even videos hidden on websites? In this video, I'm unlocking the secrets to download videos from these popular social media platforms and any website from your preferred browser. Get ready, because once you learn this, there's no going back. Before we start, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. If today is your first time coming across this video, hit the notification bell to get notified when a helpful content like this is uploaded through this channel. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Let's dive in today's video. The first website to be talked about, which can help you to download videos from the popular social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the other. And even download videos from websites by giving the correct video link from the website is called redditube.com. To use this website, just open any browser of your choice. And in the search bar of the browser, type redditube.com. And click on the first link to access the website. Once on the website, paste the link of the video you want to download in this bar. And you can get the link of a video on any platform by clicking on the share button of the video. Then, click on this copy link to get the link of the video to your clipboard. Now click on this download button and wait for some time for it to finish processing. Once done processing, scroll down a bit and click on any of these to download the video to your gallery. Moving on to the second website. The second website is solely used for downloading files on Instagram. And this includes downloading Instagram reels, photos, and stories. The name of this website is called igsty.com. Launch your browser and search for igsty.com in the search bar. And click on the first link to access the website. Once on the website, paste the link of either Instagram reels, photo, or story in this bar. And hit the download button. Wait for some time, then scroll down and click on any of these to download the file to your gallery. And this brings us to the end of this video. Please support this channel if you have enjoyed watching this video by subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification button to get notified when a helpful content like this is uploaded through this channel. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video.